Ripple has just announced a major expansion of its partnership with Bitso, one of the largest crypto and fintech companies in Latin America. This new move could impact how money moves between the United States and Mexico, one of the largest payment corridors in the world. And while this is not another XRP price prediction story, it may be something even more important. Because this announcement is focused on real-world adoption, real businesses, real payments, and real blockchain utility. So what exactly happened? Why is Ripple working with Bitso again? And what could this mean for the future of the XRP Ledger? Let's break it all down.
On June 11th, Ripple officially announced an expansion of its partnership with Bitso. For those who don't know, Bitso is one of the biggest cryptocurrency and financial technology companies in Latin America. The company serves millions of users and has been a major player in digital payments for years. Bitso has already worked with Ripple in the past through Ripple's payment network. But this new announcement takes the relationship to another level. This time, the focus is on stablecoins and enterprise settlement. Specifically, Bitso's Mexican peso-backed stablecoin called MXNB. According to the announcement, MXNB will now be issued on the XRP Ledger and integrated with Ripple's payment infrastructure. At first glance, this may sound technical, but the implications could be significant. Before we go further, let's understand what MXNB actually is. MXNB is a stablecoin backed by the Mexican peso. Unlike Bitcoin or XRP, whose prices move constantly, stablecoins are designed to maintain a stable value. In this case, MXNB aims to stay pegged to the Mexican peso. Stablecoins have become one of the fastest-growing sectors in crypto because they allow users and businesses to transfer value without dealing with extreme volatility. Companies can move money faster while keeping a stable unit of account. And now, Bitso wants to use this stablecoin on the XRP Ledger. That alone is attracting attention across the crypto industry. Many people are asking a simple question. Why did Bitso choose the XRP Ledger? The answer comes down to speed, efficiency, and enterprise-focused infrastructure. The XRP Ledger has been designed from the beginning to support fast settlement and low transaction costs. Transactions settle in seconds, fees remain extremely low, and the network has a long history of handling financial transactions efficiently. Ripple believes these features make XRPL suitable for global payments and financial applications. By launching MXNB on XRPL, Bitso gains access to a blockchain infrastructure built specifically for moving value efficiently. And that is exactly what payment companies need. Now let's talk about the most important part of this story. The United States and Mexico represent one of the largest cross-border payment corridors in the world. Every year, billions of dollars move between these two countries. Workers send money to family members, businesses make international payments, companies settle invoices, financial institutions move funds across borders. Traditionally, these transactions rely on legacy banking systems. These systems can be slow, they can be expensive, and sometimes settlement takes days. Ripple and Bitso believe blockchain technology can improve this process. The goal is not simply to create another cryptocurrency product. The goal is to improve how money moves across borders. Faster settlement, lower costs, greater efficiency. That is the opportunity both companies are targeting. One reason this announcement is generating attention is because it focuses on institutions rather than speculation. Most crypto headlines are about price movements, meme coins, trading hype, or social media excitement. This announcement is different. It focuses on infrastructure. Large financial companies are increasingly interested in blockchain systems that can improve payment efficiency. They want systems that are faster, more transparent, and available around the clock. Ripple has spent years building relationships with financial institutions. And partnerships like this suggest the company continues to focus heavily on enterprise adoption. Whether someone is bullish or bearish on XRP, institutional interest remains one of the most important themes in the crypto industry. Stablecoins have become a major topic across global finance. In recent years, stablecoin adoption has grown dramatically. Governments are paying attention. Banks are paying attention. Payment companies are paying attention. Why? Because stablecoins combine the speed of blockchain technology with price stability. That combination is attractive for real-world transactions. Instead of sending a volatile asset, businesses can transfer stable value while still benefiting from blockchain efficiency. MXNB represents another example of this growing trend. And the fact that it is launching on XRPL is one reason the crypto community is closely watching this development. Now let's address the question many investors are asking. What does this mean for XRP? First, it's important to remain realistic. This announcement does not guarantee a price increase. It does not guarantee future profits. And it does not automatically change market conditions. However, what it does show is continued development within the XRP Ledger ecosystem. It demonstrates that companies are still choosing to build on XRPL. It demonstrates ongoing investment in infrastructure. And it demonstrates that Ripple continues to pursue enterprise-focused use cases. For long-term supporters of the ecosystem, those are important signals. Real-world adoption often matters more than short-term hype. And this announcement adds another example of practical blockchain implementation. The Ripple and Bitso partnership expansion may not be the most dramatic headline in crypto, but it could be one of the most important, because behind the technical language is a simple idea: making global payments faster, making cross-border settlement more efficient, and bringing blockchain technology into real financial operations. Bitso's MXNB stablecoin launching on the XRP Ledger represents another step in that direction. Whether this leads to broader adoption remains to be seen, but one thing is clear. The XRP Ledger continues to attract attention from companies looking for real-world payment solutions. And in an industry filled with speculation, real-world utility is something worth watching. If you found this update helpful, make sure to subscribe to Finance Watcher for more crypto news, XRP updates,
Thanks for
market
watching,
analysis,
and don't forget
the
to
latest
subscribe.
developments from the world of blockchain and finance.
Stay
Thanks for
ahead
watching,
in
and I'll
finance
see
and
you
crypto.
in the next video.